Everyone, this is Leon here. I'm at our favorite sky garden. You can see, Joanne and we have a few other people here who are hard at work trying to do some changes to this garden. There she's waving over. Yay. So, basically we are doing some slight overhaul in this garden. You want to say something?
Hi! Yeah, come and see this kale is doing so well. Can you see the kale? Or you just pluck the leaf and you can start eating it already. And the rest will still grow again. So kale is a very worthwhile veggie to grow and it tastes like kailan. Okay? And look at this coleus. Look at this coleus here, so beautiful. Oh? Yeah, so now I'm in love with coleus already to decorate and put color to my veggie garden. Okay?
Okay, so that's what we have for Joanne. So anyway, right now what's happening is that we are doing some changes to this garden. It's because we were removing all the vegetables on all the racks and everywhere because the vegetables were getting old. Now if you grow your own vegetables at home, your own food, do remember to harvest and eat them, because the older they get, the more bitter, the more fibrous it gets. So for this, because these vegetables are for this building here, the company people, and I think they missed the announcement on the harvesting part. So the vegetables start to grow old, so now we are kind of like just changing all of it, replanting everything again. Okay? For those of you who don't believe, we really use sand for all our medium. Okay, just mainly sand. Sand is one of the best medium you can use to grow. Of course, you can add fertilizer separately. So anyway, this is just a short update from me here, and hope to see you again. Goodbye.